hold up. This changes everything. We've seen AI tools get smarter, faster, more specialized, but now Warmwind has just unleashed what could be the first real AI operating system for the cloud workplace. And I've been testing it behind the scenes. Picture this. You open your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever, and instead of some chatbot, you're watching AI agents actually work like humans. Clicking, typing, navigating dashboards, managing SaaS tools in real time. No complex code, no hardware setups, no friction. Just pure automation happening right in the cloud. And trust me, I was seriously impressed. This video isn't just hype. It's a deep dive into how it works, why it matters, and how it might change the way businesses run worldwide. And yes, they partnered with me for the spotlight, but I wouldn't be covering it unless it was worth your time. Training these agents is surprisingly simple. Show them a task, whether it's pulling reports, entering invoices, or scheduling posts, and they learn. Add some prompt instructions, and from there, they run on autopilot, even when your laptop's closed. Everything happens inside Warmwind's cloud infrastructure. Run one agent or scale up to 10,000. During testing, I had 20 agents working simultaneously with barely any lag. That's serious power. Their YouTube demo showed one agent grabbing data from 3 CRM systems, merging it and posting results into Google Sheets, feeding straight into Tableau dashboards. But that's just the beginning. Check out this AI-powered social media manager. Finds trending hashtags and sounds, designs posts with custom visuals, schedules at optimal times, tests multiple caption styles, all with zero human effort, unless something really needs your personal touch. Or how about their AI customer support agent? It runs across email, live chat, WhatsApp, and even Instagram DMs. I tested it by sending, "Where's my package?" and it shot back tracking info and a discount code in under 10 seconds. Wild. They've got agents for competitive intelligence, scanning competitor posts and product launches and delivering daily PDF reports. Finance agents match scanned invoices to purchase orders and generate P&Ls inside QuickBooks. There's even a recruiting agent that screens resumes, analyzes LinkedIn, and sets up interviews, plus a DevOps bot that watches uptime and alerts your Slack if things break. One of my favorites? The AI Innovation Scout. Every night it scans Product Hunt, Crunchbase, and patent feeds, giving you a morning brief of the latest tech launches and funding rounds. So, what makes this more than just another automation tool? It's a real operating system, complete with schedulers, permissions, and memory sharing between agents. Let's say your social media agent flags an angry customer. Your support agent will see that context automatically. Plus, it's EU-hosted, encrypted end-to-end, and has real-time dashboards where you can literally watch your AI agents work live. If the interface changes, you tweak the flow once, and the agent picks it up instantly. No retraining, no downtime. Latency? Almost none. I ran workflows that normally take 4 minutes, and the agents finish them in under 3. And because it all runs in the cloud, your agents keep working, even when your laptop's shut. During a high-traffic sale, you can spin up more agents instantly. Just duplicate them, and they go live in seconds. Traditional automation tools can't scale like this. Security's built in, too. Every agent runs in an isolated container with strict permissions. If an agent tries to step outside its role, like a finance bot DMing someone on Instagram, it gets stopped and flagged immediately. During my tests, I tried tricking the system into leaking data. It blocked the attempt cold and logged everything for review. Bottom line, this isn't just for big tech, it's for lean startups automating daily workflows, for enterprises cutting costs on repetitive tasks, and for creators looking to automate their content pipeline. No Python scripts, no messy integrations, just AI agents seeing your screen and getting the job done. If you're interested, the Warmwind waitlist is open now at warmwind.space. Early access is rolling out in waves, and they've been helping creators, startups, and teams test real-world use cases. If you're a builder, imagine automating your video edits, media imports, or batch-generating thumbnails. This could be a game changer. Check out their demo walkthrough on YouTube, and follow them on Instagram at warmwind.08 for live agent clips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.